How to navigate home screen in FOXTEL GO. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to navigate the home screen in FOXTEL GO. Navigating the home screen in FOXTEL GO is straightforward and allows users to access various features and content easily. Here's how you can do it. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the procedure due to some security concern, so I'm just gonna instruct you. Now, first thing, you have to go ahead and log in into your FOXTEL GO account. Once the app opens, you'll be on the home page, which typically displays feature content and recommends shows and category as well. And you can go ahead and explore different section of the home screen. You can use the navigation menu located at the bottom or top of the screen depending on the device you're using. This navigation menu may include options such as home, TV guide, on demand, downloads, and my library. You can also use your finger or mouse cursor to select the desired option from the navigation menu. For example, if you want to browse live TV channels, select the TV guide option. If you're looking for on-demand content, select on demand. And once you've selected a section, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can further browse and explore content. You can use the provided category filter or search bar to find specific movies, TV shows, or content. You can also, to return to the home screen at any time, you can go ahead and tap the home option in the navigation menu. Additionally, you may encounter features or recommended content on the home screen. You can go ahead and tap these items to view more information or start watching immediately. This is how you can navigate your home screen in FOXTEL GO. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.